So, finally, we can go to design and hit questionnaire-driven configuration. Now this brings up another applet called questionnaire, which will administer the questionnaire and show us how the model changes as it gets configured. Except I actually have to select take payment first. Okay, let's hit manual. Okay, so what this thing does is at each step along the way, it's going to display the model. And it does it in a separate tab, so I'll be flipping back and forth between tabs. And let me go back to the previous tab. And this is the questionnaire applet. So you can see our two questions here. If I answer the second question first and say, no, there's no cash box available, then you can see it's removed the option of giving change here. And if I change my mind, click on answered questions, hit rollback to put the model back the way it was. And I could answer the question differently. So it's cash box available? Well, yes, this time. And now you see these have become, the variation point 3 and 4 have now been replaced with normal gateways because it's been configured. We've actually decided what the configuration is. So let me go back to our outstanding question. Let's say cash is okay, FPOS is okay, but we don't do credit cards. Answer. Tells us we're done. Reminds us to save the model. Because this preview we're seeing here, it does have a save button over here. That save button doesn't work. You've got to save it from the applet. But what you can see here is it's removed the option in the middle that used to be there for credit cards. And the options we've selected, cash and FPOS, are present. So what we have now is this is no longer a configurable model. All the configuration has been done. And this is just a normal BPMN model. This is completely portable, would work in interop with any system that does normal BPMN. It doesn't need to actually know anything about the extensions once we've done anything here. So let me go back, let's save model. Now we're at version number 1.3. And we're done. Let me close this tab. I can close questionnaire applet. Now if I refresh, I'm at version 1.3, and this is the version that's been configured according to our answers to the questionnaire. So if I go down here, 1.0 is my original non-configurable model. 1.1 was the model after I'd added variation points to it. 1.3 is after I'd linked it to the CMapper. So 1.2 is after I'd linked it to the CMapper. And 1.3 is after I've used the CMapper and worked through the questionnaire and actually gotten a new configured model. And that's an end-to-end demonstration of the configurable model support in Apromore.